Former President Daniel Arap Moi has been admitted to Nairobi Hospital for what his high communication team describes as a routine medical checkup. His physician, Dr. David Silverstein, today said Moi will spend a few nights in the hospital to allow doctors have enough time to examine him. Moi's admission was announced by his office in a statement which added that the former president was with his immediate family members, who included his children and grandchildren. The 94-year-old former head of state was in late March discharged from Ichilov Hospital in Tel Aviv, Israel, where he had gone for a medical checkup. The problem with his knee began on July 30th, 2006, after he was involved in an accident in Limuru. He had been traveling to Kabarak from Machakos, where he had presided over a graduation ceremony at Scots Theological College. In January 2017, the former president underwent a minor surgery on his knee at the Aga Khan University Hospital in Nairobi.